أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Suratul Fajr Makkiyah. So before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start. Suratul Fajr Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wal Fajr. Wal Fajr. Waw we connect with the lam, wal, fa we connect with the jim, faj. Because when we stop here, so then this ra becomes heavy. As the rule is, when ra comes with sukoon sign, because when we stop here, so this kasra we skip under the ra and we put a sukoon sign on the ra. Similarly, I am telling now the rule, when we stop on the ra, and if you find the ra is coming with sukoon sign, and the before the ra letter is also with sukoon sign, like here the jim is also with sukoon sign, and then before letter also has a fatha, at that time ra we read in heavy sound, so we say wal fajr. Ra we read in heavy sound in this condition. Like I repeat it, when ra comes with sukoon sign, and if before letter has again sukoon sign, and if before letter has fatha, so at that time ra we read in heavy sound. So this arrow sign is telling us when you continue, so this ra will be in light sound then. So but when we stop, so ra we read in heavy sound, but when we continue, so this ra we read in light sound due to kasra under the ra. So when ra comes with kasra, we read ra in light sound, because there is a circle sign which is the ayat, and the lam alif is means don't stop. So we have option here, you can continue, you can stop also. Walayalin, walayalin, ashr, ashr, walayalin. So ya we long due to alif madda is there. After the tanween, the next letter is ain, which is one of from the total letters. So that's why we make izhar here. Walayalin ashr. On the sheen we make tafashi quality, like the spreading the sound of sheen into our mouth. Ash, ashr. And ra also we read in heavy sound. The same rule as I explained on the wal fajr. Like ra is coming with sukoon sign when we stop. So this is a rule when ra comes with sukoon sign and the before letter is also with sukoon sign. And if before letter comes with fatha, then we read ra in heavy sound. Here again, so we say walayalin ashr. But when you continue on this place, so then this ra will be in light sound, because due to double kasra under it. But we say walayalin ashr. Washaf'i, washaf'i, walwatr, washaf'i. Wow we connect with the sheen, wash. And also you can see after the tanween, which is under the ra here, when we connect with wow, so it will be idgham with ghunna. So we say then ashri'u washaf'i. Like we say then with ghunna, this arrow sign is telling us the same. Like when you connect, so you will make idgham with ghunna. And then this ra we read in light sound. Okay, so as we say ashri'u washaf'i. But right now we are stopping here ashr. So ra we read in heavy sound. And the next is waw we connect with the sheen, washaf'i. On the fa we make the hums quality, like the continuation of our breath, and the sound becomes like in weakness. So we say washaf, shaf'i, washaf'i, walwat, walwatr. Waw we connect with the lam and waw. So the first waw we connect with the, and here waw we connect with the ta, what. In the ta we make shiddat quality first, what. When we say waw with the ta, So in the ta, there is shiddat quality comes first, what? And when we release the sound, so then hams quality comes, like the continuation of our breath. In shiddat, the discontinuation of our sound, like what? The sound is discontinuing. Similarly, when you apply the hums quality, then continuation of our breath. So we say what, shiddat, and th is hums. What, watr. And ra we read in heavy sound. Similarly, the same rule as I explained on the wal fajr and ashr as well. But when we continue, so this ra we read in light sound. But right now we are stopping. وَالشَّفْعِ وَالْوَتْرِ وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ وَاللَّيْلِ. So this ya is yalin, we read soft sound here. Ida, zal we read also in soft sound, but we long due to alif madda. Ida yasr. Again ra we read in heavy sound due to sukoon sign on it, and the before letter also comes with sukoon sign, and before letter is with fatha. So we say ra in heavy sound as we say Ida yasr. So we say again وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا يَسْرِ. But when you continue, so this ra will be in light sounded. Then we say yasri hal. Okay. And the next is hal fi dhalika. هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر. Hal fi, this fi we long due to yamada, ya is coming with sukoon sign and there is kasra before. Fi dhalika, zal we long due to standing fatha on it, and also there is soft sound in the zal. Kaf we read in light sound. Dhalika. Qasamul. Qaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. Qasamul. After the tanween, the next letter is lam. Again we make idgham without gunna. Qasamulli. Qasamulli. Lidhi. And zal we read in soft sound again. This ya is ya madda, because ya is coming with sukoon sign and there is kasra before. So we read, we long here also. Qasamul lidhi hijr. On the jim we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala, because the qalqala letter is coming in the middle of the word. And on the ra we read this ra in light sound, because the rule is when ra comes with sukoon sign and the before letter also with sukoon sign, and then before letter comes with kasra, then we read ra in light sound. That's why we say hijr. Now we say all together. هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد. ألم تر. After the meme sakin, the next letter is ta. We make izhar shafawi, the clear sound of meme. Alam tara. And this ta we read in light sound, ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha on it. Kaifa. This ya is ya lean. We read soft sound. Alam tara kaifa fa'ala. We do not long any letter here. Rabbuka. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha on it. And on the ba there is a little bit strong wise. Rabbuka. Kaf you read in light sound. Bi'ad. Ba we read in light sound. Ain we long because there is alif madda. And when we stop on this place, so this become kalkala sound. And then we say bi'ad. Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi'ad. Irama. Dhatil imad. Irama. Hamza we read with kasra e sound. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha. Irama. Irama, we do not long any letter here. Zatil, Zal we read in soft sound and also we long due to alif madda. Zatil Imad, Ain read from the middle of the throat. Mim we long due to alif madda and on the dal we make qalqala. Irama Zatil Imad. So there is the circle sign which is the stop sign, and also you can see there are two another signs are coming. The one is Sod and the second is Lam Alif. So Sod and Lam Alif both meaning is don't stop here. So you have option for you now. If you want to continue, so you have to continue on this place. Otherwise you can stop as well. If we continue, so this dal we say with the lam then. So we say Zatil Imadillati, Dillati, right? But otherwise if you stop here, so then we say Allati, Allati Lam Yukhlaq, Lam Yukhlaq Misluha, Misluha Fil Bilad, Fil Bilad. Allati, because you can see the first letter is alif, which there is no sign any, so there is no any sign on the alif. So the next letter is lam with shad sign, so we cannot connect any letter with this lam. That's why for connecting this word we put a sukun, we put a fatha sign on the alif for connecting allati. So we say Allah then. T, this T we long due to ya madda, ya is coming with sukun sign and there is kasra before. We say allati lam, one alif, lam yukhlaq. On the meme we make is harish shafawi, the clear sound of meme, lam yukh, lam yukh. On the kha we read heavy sound and on the qaf as well. And on the kha we also make hums quality, like the continuation of our breath, and the sound becomes a weak sound. Yukh, yukh. Yukh. Okay, this kha, in the kha you can say the continuation of our breath. Yukh. And then sound also becoming weak. Yukh, yukh. Laq. On the qaf we read again heavy sound and we make qalqala. Yukhlaq. Misluha. On the sa we make again hums quality, continuation of our breath, and sound becomes weakness. Misluha. Ha we long due to alif madda. Fil bilad. Again lam we long due to alif madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. So we say Allati lam yukhlaq misluha fil bilad. Allati lam yukhlaq misluha fil bilad. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وثمود. Wasa, sa we read in soft sound, meme we long due to waw madda. وثمود الذين. Zal we read again in soft sound and also we long due to ya madda. وثمود الذين جابوا. Jim we long due to alif madda. Ba we connect with the sword directly. Jabus. So there is no waw madda because waw doesn't have a sukun sign right now. So that's why we cannot say this is waw madda. But direct ba we connect with the sword. Jabus. Okay. Sword we read sword, kha and ra. All these three letters we read in heavy sound. Sakhara. And on the kha we make hums quality, continuation of our breath, and sound becomes weak. Swakh, swakhra, swakhra. Jabu swakhra bilwad. Waw we long due to alif madda, and on dal we make qalqala. وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد. وفرعون وفرعون ذي الأوتاد ذي الأوتاد وفرعون. So this ra we read in light sound. The rule is when ra comes with sukun sign and if there is kasra asli in the before letter, like asli means that like this will not be a temporary kasra which we skip sometime, because this fa has its own kasra here, so that's why it is called asli kasra. So the rule again I explain, when ra comes with sukun sign and if there is kasra comes, asli kasra under the before letter, and after the ra sakin if the next letter is also not a isti'la letter. So there are three things which you have to know. The one is ra coming when ra comes with sukun sign, and the second before the ra sakin there should be kasra asli, like there should be kasra will be its own letter, and after the ra sakin there will be no isti'la letter. So ain is not a isti'la letter. At that time ra we read in light sound. So we say wa fir'auna wa fir'auna wa fir'auna. At this time ra we read in light sound. wa fir'auna dhil awtad. Zal we connect with the lam, dhil. Aw, this is wawlin. Ta we long due to alif madda, and dal we make qalqala. Dhil awtad. wa fir'auna dhil awtad. الذين طغوا في البلاد الذين, again Hamza on the alif we put a fatha for connecting. الذين, zal we read in soft sound and also we long. الذين طغوا, ta and ghain we read in heavy sound, and this is wawlin, we read soft sound. طغوا في البلاد, lam we long due to alif maddat, on the dal we make qalqala. الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فأكثروا. On the kaf we make hams quality and all like the continuation of our breath, and also the shidda quality. Saru, this ra we read in heavy sound and also we long. Fa'aksaru. On the kaf, how we are making? Fa'aksaru. Like the sound becomes weak in hums quality. Fa'aksaru. Fihal. Fi we long due to yamadda, how we connect with the lam. Fihal fasad. Sin we long due to alif madda, and also we make qalqala on this dal. So we say فَأَكْثَرُوا فِيهَا الْفَسَادِ فَأَكْثَرُوا فِيهَا الْفَسَادِ فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ سَوْطَ عذاب. فَصَبَّ, sad we read in heavy sound. عَلَيْهِمْ, on the meme we make izhar shafawi. After the meme sakin the next letter is ra, we make izhar shafawi, the clear sound of meme. Ra we read in heavy sound due to fatha on it. عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ Sawta, this waw is wawlin. Ta we read in heavy sound. Sawta azab. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Zal we read soft sound and also we long. Azab. And on the ba we make qalqala. فَصَبَّ عَلَيْهِمْ رَبُّكَ سَوْطَ عَذَابٍ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ لَبِالْمِرْصَادِ لبالمرصاد. Inna, this is noon is coming with shadda sign. We make gunna here, and also we long one alif. Rabbaka, ra we read it in heavy sound. Kaf we read in light sound. Rabbaka labil mir. So here we read ra in heavy sound right now. So you can see ra is coming with sukun sign, and there is kasra before the ra. But the thing is that after the ra sakin, the next letter is a sad. This is isti'la letter. We read this ra in heavy sound now. Mir sad, and sad we long also due to alif madda, and on the dal we make qalqala. If you look a little bit above here, wa fir'auna, so there we were reading ra in light sound due to, because you can see ra is in black color. Wa fir'auna, why we were reading ra in light sound there, and why we are reading ra in heavy sound here? What is the difference? The difference is that here is ra is coming with sukun sign, and after the ra the next letter is isti'la letter, and there you can see the after the ra sakin the next letter is not a isti'la letter, right? The rule basically is that when ra comes with sukun sign, and if there is kasrai asli before the ra sakin, so here is also kasrai asli under the meme, and here is also kasrai asli before the ra sakin under the fa. But the difference only after the ra sakin is there is isti'la letter and there is no isti'la letter. So that's why there were fir'auna we read ra in light sound, and here labil mir sad ra we are reading in heavy sound. So we say inna rabbaka labil mirsad. Mirsad. Now I repeat this complete lesson again. So listen carefully. In the first row, when I will read by joining, so then this ra which are coming in wal fajr, ashr, so this ra we read in light sound when we join. But when we stop, then ra we read in heavy sound. We say now. But right now I will join all this line. So we say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. والفجر وليال عشر والشفع والوتر والليل إذا يسر هل في ذلك قسم لذي حجر ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بعاد إرم ذات العماد التي لم يخلق مثلها في البلاد وثمود الذين جابوا الصخر بالواد وفرعون ذي الأوتاد الذين طغوا في البلاد فأكثروا فيها الفساد فصب عليهم ربك سوط عذاب إن ربك لبالمرصاد. So I hope you understand this lesson. If you have any kind of question regarding this lesson, please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Take care. Inshallah, see you in the next class. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.